Today I'm going to show you how you can create amazing AI videos completely for free and grow your channel very quickly. First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It creates similar content, like animal rescue videos where a snake attacks an animal and then a rescue team saves it. One of their videos has over 11 million views, which shows how viral this content can go. Their thumbnails are also very eye-catching and high quality. You can create the same type of videos, and as you can see, $8.6K per month, these videos perform extremely well. The channel is monetized and earns a strong monthly income, with many videos reaching millions of views, even though it started relatively recently. You can also make similar videos for free, but with a fresh and unique idea. I'll keep bringing you more ideas on how to use AI to grow your channels on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and how to monetize them successfully. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you can learn how to create trending content. Now let's get started. In this guide, I'll show you how to generate images for free, create art, generate high-quality AI voice, edit your videos professionally, and most importantly, how to create AI videos for free. Let's begin and learn how to make trending videos step by step. First, you need to open ChatGPT and copy the channel link of the type of content you want to create. Then paste that link and write, "I am sending you a channel link. Please check it carefully because I want to create videos in the same style." After reviewing the channel, I will also send the script. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to send 2 to 3 video links from that channel so it can analyze better. Then go back to the channel, copy 2-3 video links, and paste them into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will analyze the channel. After that, open any one video from that channel and click on Show Transcript. Copy the full script from there. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste the script. It will analyze the storytelling style step by step. Next, I will give you 4 prompts. You just need to copy those prompts from my YouTube comment section. There will be a line written, "Carefully review these prompts," in bold black. You need to copy that as well. Once you paste everything into ChatGPT, it will analyze and generate similar prompts for you. It will create high-quality image prompts and story prompts in the same style. These prompts will look very professional and engaging. Now you will have both image prompts, story prompts. If you want to create a story, just copy all the image prompts and paste them into ChatGPT. Then write, "Now review these prompts and also create a story based on them." You can specify the length of the story. 200 words, example, 400 words, 500 words, even 1,000 words depending on your need. Finally, you will have a complete story ready to use image prompts. Now you're ready to create videos. You can make long videos, but shorts are recommended because they go viral faster. Now to generate images, we use Leonardo AI, which is a very powerful tool. Simply open it, select the Phoenix 1.0 model, and set the image size to 9:16. Then paste your prompts, and within a few seconds, your images will be ready with high-quality results. You just keep pasting prompts one by one, and all your scenes will be generated, like a monkey being attacked by a snake or a cat in danger, followed by a rescue team arriving after a call. Everything will be created exactly as you want. Now that your images are ready, the next step is to create audio for free and then turn everything into an AI video for free as well. To create an AI voice, we will use a tool called Unlimited AI Tools Text-to-Speech Generator, which is a very powerful and useful platform. One of its best features is that it allows you to generate up to 1,000 words at once. You don't even need to log in, just open the tool and start using it. Simply copy the script you created in ChatGPT and paste it into the tool. After that, choose a voice from options like Blaze, Ethan, or Luna. There are many voices available, so you can pick any you like. For example, I select Blaze because it sounds very good. Then choose the tone, such as storytelling or motivational. After that, click on Generate Voice, and within a few seconds, your AI voice will be ready with excellent quality. Now that your voice is ready, the next step is to create an AI video for free, which is a very important part of the process. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video as well. To create AI videos, the website I use is Magic Hour AI. It's a very powerful and amazing platform, and I'll show you how to use it for free, so make sure to watch till the end. First, open the website and click on Sign Up Free. Then choose Continue with Gmail and log in with any email. Once you log in, you'll receive free credits. For example, I got 400 credits, and by clicking on Claim Your Free Daily Credits, they increased to 500 credits. This tool offers many features like lip syncing, image to video, and text to video. For example, if you select image to video, simply upload an image, paste your prompt, and set the duration, like 6 or 7 seconds. Then click on Generate, and within a short time, your video will be ready with impressive results. You can repeat this process for multiple images to create several clips. If your credits run out, you can log in again with another email to get more credits. But since most people only have 2 to 3 emails, there's an easy trick. Use a temporary email service like Temp Mail. Open Temp Mail, copy a generated email, and use it to sign up again on Magic Hour AI. You'll receive a verification code in Temp Mail, copy and paste it to log in, and you'll get fresh credits again. You can repeat this process by generating new temporary emails whenever needed. This platform has many useful features, and you can easily create AI videos using different styles. I hope you liked this method. Don't forget to like the video and explore more features like lip syncing, image to video, and text to video. One more important thing. If you're having difficulty creating a video from all your prompts, here's a simple solution. Just copy all the image prompts you have saved and paste them into ChatGPT. Then write this line: we want to make a video from these image prompts. Please create a video prompt for it. Here are the image prompts. After that, ChatGPT will generate proper video prompts for you. Simply copy those video prompts and use them along with your images. When you paste them into Magic Hour AI, your video will be created easily. Finally, the last and most important step is video editing. Because if your editing is good, more people will watch your videos and your content will perform much better. I will use CapCut for my last video edit. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. Perfect for beginners and professionals. In this video, I will edit my video, add video effects, and then my video will be ready. You can watch it. Thanks for watching. For any next questions related to videos, you can message me or comment below, and I will reply. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring one more method. Thanks for watching.